Hey, beautiful ag people, Ryan Shillman with Fireproof Fencing here, placing another rotten wooden H-brace with one of our new and improved H-brace systems. We made a video a while back, but wanted to show you a lot of our products have changed. Line posts and corner posts, now we have a hole that we offer you every 2 inches on the top of the post. The corner posts have perforations down 2 axis, so you'll see that'll be key for putting together our tensioning system. Our crossbars have angled holes in the ear to where now instead of double marking our pins, you just simply drill one hole through this, put a clip in, set it. For the do-it-yourselfers, we also replicated this with our new collar system, which if you're blunt cutting 2 3/8 posts, this will give you the same opportunity to drill through and affix this. You can also secure to the top of your post. Bear with us, we are along the county road, but as we have vehicles travel past. We're going to show you our new tensioner system. We offer cable loops for 6-foot crossbar, an 8-foot crossbar, and a 9-foot crossbar. These cables can go on a very group of different ways. What I'm going to show you is just a simple cross with the loop throw over. You can drop one to the bottom, dangle one over the top. What you'll see is if you're on grade, we try to give a one size fits all, and we have customers that are still using wood posts, but these steel cross braces still like our tensioners. You can see if I were to bring these cables together, I'd be real close to using up the full extent of our tensioner. So a simple way to get rid of some of that excess is to simply take a loop in your cable and set that right back over the post. At that point, hopefully, I will have taken up enough real estate that'll give us quite a bit of adjustment on our tensioner. Throw the cables in your opposing troughs. It's as simple as taking a impact wrench and tightening up. One thing we do want to show people is sometimes it does get hung up on the post. You want to make sure that your cable has slid into place. And what we always want to show people is be sure you're pulling against a stud, not through the wire clip itself. If you go through the wire clip, those coils can uncoil. There you have it, folks. Pretty simple H-brace.